You guys, I spend a lot of time making stuff with my lovely husband here, but I don't spend a lot of time making up my face. But that's gonna change today because I have to figure out how to do my makeup for my very first fashion runway walk where I'm gonna be wearing our resin dress. So I need to look glam, I need to look professional, I need to look vaguely watery because the dress is a water theme. And so I looked up some tutorials on TikTok, found some cool inspo, no instructions. So we're just gonna wing it and see what we come up with.
And I'm here.
And Evan's here!
All right, let's see what you got, baby. I know you're gonna put fishnets over your face, and there's pearls here.
Woo, giving away all my secrets!
I thought you were gonna tease things. I didn't know you were gonna look so cool.
No one could predict how cool I would look. I'm so worried about my nose ring getting stuck.
Yeah, dude, that's just dangling. That's just dangling there. Oh my God, you look like you're like an incompetent robber who thinks that like their face is fully hidden, and they're like, "Give me all the makeup you got."
Can you zoom in on just my lids?
Yeah, of course I
can't open them. This is all I can do. So,
okay, yes.
So this is what she did first. She got like a shimmery highlighter, and this is gonna be our scales, everybody. I have a shimmery, kind of bluish toned highlighter here, because we're going for water theme.
Yep, you're almost ready for the runway already. Now, so you're also gonna do this at the convention center, or you can do this in our hotel room beforehand.
I'm gonna do this in our hotel room. I'm not doing this backstage, no. There's professionals there, they're gonna laugh.
They're gonna be like, wow, she did her research.
Here's my worry. I'm really, really quite pale.
Yeah, I'm very worried about this too. I was like, But yeah, but so you don't want it to be dark, you want it to be light.
Light.
These are highlights.
Highlights.
Okay. Let's see the result.
Let's do the reveal. All I see is the line
I'm
going
waiting for
across.
the results.
All I see is the line going across my face.
Oh, no, there. Other side?
I'm too pale, you guys.
I see a little bit of it. Okay.
Let me mask up again.
This is why we do these small scale tests. Okay. So now you have a bigger canvas.
It's hitting my teeth. I have this color.
Blue. You're going
I'm
finger to face style.
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't ever done makeup this way, but I trust you.
People use their fingers all the time.
Now these are normally worn on your legs, right?
Well, this is a wig cap.
Oh, it's a wig cap.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's like the same thing.
So you're using it halfway properly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just like, I took it and I went 150%, you know? That's how I do.
So you're going for the look? Is this the reveal?
I'm going to share something you may not know, and that is we have a lot of bonus content over on our Patreon and our channel memberships on our main channel. We actually have hundreds of videos there already, and we post new ones regularly, as well as behind the scenes blog posts. And we do things like getting your suggestions for naming our creations, like our recent Pumpkin Charlie. So if you want to be a part of that, you can go to patreon.com/Evan and Katelyn, or you can join our channel memberships on our main channel. Or if you'd rather get something physical for supporting us, we also have merch at shopevanandkatelyn.com, including our fidget blade box openers. So thank you guys. Back to the video.
So you're going for the look? Is this the reveal?
Sorry, I'm a mess.
Okay, let me zoom. Oh yeah, that's a lot better.
That did it pretty well.
That's cool. That's really cool.
And it's kind of subtle, like it doesn't have a harsh edge.
So what's next? What's the vision? Walk me through it.
Next is eyes, baby. And I'm so excited. I actually bought new makeup. That's what this blue one is for. I bought new makeup.
Got a business expense that?
I did.
Government look. With this being used for business purposes.
You can't keep getting away with it!
So we are going to do a gradient.
Okay.
Pearlescent.
Yes.
Rainbow.
Wow.
I'm gonna start on the inside corner with green. Oh my gosh, I need to do a primer.
Primer, just like painting, primer helps these stick better.
Yeah, it helps it stick.
Now, how long have you had that primer for? You know what we should do? In addition to Katelyn's expired kitchen. We should do Katelyn's expired makeup.
I don't think this one is expired because I go through these pretty fast and they're tiny. Some of the stuff is definitely expired though.
Yes, makeup does expire because preservatives break down, making products susceptible to bacterial growth, potential skin irritation, or infections.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Don't take my advice, I don't know anything. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. How many colors are you gonna have in this rainbow gradient?
4.
4. So it's not really a rainbow.
It's a huge shift
It's
from
a
green to pink.
It's a ombre, ombre, ombre. Because an ombre is 2 colors. An ombre, ombre is 3 colors. An ombre, ombre, ombre is 4 colors.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, cool. Okay, so what are you doing now? Walk us through it.
I am just mirroring the top and the bottom.
Oh, okay,
right
okay.
now.
So you're doing a little bit of green on the center, then a little bit of blue going out farther.
I look crazy. I usually do just very neutral colors, kind of the same ones all the time, so.
Ooh, the rainbow is coming together, baby.
Oh, thank you. Ooh, it is coming together. Wow, when you have enough glitter,
It's like a sunset look.
it's like a carnival sunset.
Carnival sunset. Let me look up what that is.
Oh, I just put 2 words together.
This is pulling up images of carnival cruises at sunset.
Oh, yeah, no, it's not that.
Are you gonna do any coloring to like your lower face? Because all of your colors up here in the upper face.
You know, I probably will attempt to put on some lip stuff reluctantly.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be it.
Blue?
No,
Blue lips.
no.
Mermaid.
I don't even have the supplies for
lips.
that. I have a gloss that's
Katelyn,
technically...
look at those. Look at those.
I can't do that. We'll figure that out when we get there, okay? I need to do something about the rest of this so it looks like a little bit more cleaned up. Now in the video, I think she just did like a clear gel on her brows.
Mermaid brows. I do not like this. I do not like this.
Oh no, it's
I do not like that. I do not like that.
it's cool.
So you don't want to do like blue, like going down your neck. Wouldn't that be so cool?
I don't know if I want that.
No, I'm throwing spaghetti at the wall, seeing what sticks. Seeing what sticks.
Okay, the tutorial I saw did not do eyeliner, but I feel a little bit naked without eyeliner,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna do it.
Wow, this PTZ camera. This thing zooms in too much. And it zooms in a lot. Like I can see like so much detail in your eyeball.
I don't know if we need that.
We'll get a live reaction from Pikachu.
What's Pika think about my makeup so far?
He's a little bit shocked, to be honest. Take your time, baby. I don't want to say too much because I don't want to pressure her into talking, so I'm just gonna chill.
I can hear you. Your whisper is very loud and you're right next to me.
What about this? Can you hear this? Oh yeah, I can whisper now. Oh yeah.
I didn't hear that.
Yes! I learned a basic skill that
Whispering.
children know.
Whispering. Okay. We'll finish up the eyes.
Time for mascara? Mm-hmm. Yes. So what's the most expensive part of your makeup kit?
I mean, I don't think any individual piece here is more than like 20 bucks. Actually, no, this is expensive.
What is it?
It's the brow pomade. See how much this one is.
25. There you go,
for
baby.
this little thing. Guess how long I've had it?
2 years.
Definitely longer.
It's such a shallow jar.
Yeah.
Like when you look at this, it looks like it's 100% clear. All of the
That's how they get ya. It's like a bag of chips, you know?
I don't know. I never really got the outrage against the bag of chips because I understood that it's an airbag. It's its own airbag. If there wasn't that much air, you'd be upset.
Yeah, your chips would be crushed.
Your chips would be crushed along with your desire to eat them.
Should I wear falsies?
Katelyn, you have epic eyelashes.
Not epic enough.
You have epic eyelashes.
They need to be more epic. Blush is next. This is definitely from college. I'm gonna be so freaking sparkly. I think the scales are like distinct enough.
Yeah, the gel is holding.
Nose blush.
You know how some lights sparkle a ton and some lights don't, like the iPhone light?
Our lights in here don't sparkle a lot because we have so many. What if What if I go out there and I'm like a disco ball?
So you do a dot on the end?
Yeah, I do like a little bit, like a little, like, doop, 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 doop. Doop, doop. And then a little, doop, doop. Let's glue some pearls to my face, baby. No, I got some lash glue.
Can I look up what lash glue is? I want to look at the ingredients.
Yeah.
Formaldehyde-free, latex-free, but what is it? Where's the safety data sheet for this?
Can I have that? I need it.
No, I'm just curious. I just need to look. Okay, here you go. You can have it. These are the things that I wonder. Acrylate-based copolymers.
Okay, I'm just gonna like play around with this.
Acrylates, ethyl hexyl. It's acrylic.
And you need to like let this sit for a few.
It's acrylic plastics.
Let's hope my glue dots are even.
Yes! It's almost super glue. They're both part of the same family.
Is this pearl too big?
Y'all, you're just getting like a look inside my head. This is how my head works.
It's true, I can attest to that. Okay, my pearls aren't super even, but like, we're gonna keep going.
Sorry, I'm an engineer, not a chemist. I took 1 year of chemistry. Hated it. That was horrible. It's just memorization. There's some logic in it, but it just seems like it was just a whole bunch of memorization. I like engineering more because like you can just like reason your way through it as long as you know the general rules. So you just need to learn all the rules and you can just like figure it out. You know what I mean? Like memorization, yeah. It's coming together, that's fun. I think that really makes it tie together. I just want to zoom in. Look at that. That's cute. That's cute.
I don't know how even I'm gonna be able to make these. I'm gonna do my best.
Yeah.
You know, and if things aren't perfectly symmetrical, it's okay.
Nature isn't symmetrical.
Yeah, nature's not symmetrical. Do I want to do more pearls? How do we feel? Should I do some? There's no point in doing any on my forehead because it's all
Pearl
gonna be covered.
mustaches.
I could do pearl freckles on my nose.
You can do whatever you want. Yeah.
Good decision. Every time I add more. Good decision. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Just want to see what pearl freckles would look like. Where else should I do that? You know, this might be plenty.
Yeah.
I think it's time to put on the hair and makeup. Oh wait, I have to do lips. God dang it. I don't like doing lips. I'm not good at it, and I feel like it always looks weird on me. I'm gonna feel like a bit of a goofball. It just looks weird on me, but we're gonna try.
I think that you look good no matter what. So.
Thank you. I remember a hack. I don't know if it's recommended.
Is it putting face stuff on your lips?
Yes, it is.
Can you put face stuff on
Oh, you can. Should you? I don't know, but you certainly can. And I'm about to do it. See this highlighter?
That's the white highlight?
Yeah, and it's a little blue.
Oh, use
Ooh.
highlighter on lips.
That's crazy looking. I look insane. It's not even. Oh, I thought it looked so.
That looks cool. You don't like it? You do like it. You don't like it? You don't?
See, this hides all sins. It's so reflective, you can't see anything.
Yeah, I mean, that makes it look like you have lipstick on because your lips are so rosy.
Yeah. I think this is fine
I think that's great.
for the lips.
I love it. Just
Okay.
a little bit of a blue shimmer.
Yeah. Let's
Right.
put on the hair, put on the face accessories, and we'll see how it looks.
Wow! They look so much more complete with the ears.
Thank you.
And like the necklace and everything like that.
It definitely
Wow.
like ties it together more.
Yeah.
Like it makes sense why I have pearls on my face.
It makes complete sense.
Yeah.
We could go out to a restaurant right now and they'd be like, I understand the vision.
They would understand. They would be confused about other things.
Yeah, but they'd understand the vision.
Now I just have to recreate this at the actual fashion show.
Wow!
I think we did it. Is the slow zoom going forever?
Yep.